The helpful river stones. Once upon a time, in a land where a gentle river flowed through a forest, there lived a group of shining river stones. They sparkled under the sun, happy in their peaceful river home. One day, the sun seemed to shine hotter than ever, and the rain forgot to visit the forest. The river started to shrink, and the woodland creatures became worried. The fish had less water to swim in, and the birds couldn't find water to drink. Seeing their friends in trouble, the river stones gathered together and whispered,
"Let's help our woodland friends."
They rolled and tumbled, creating small dams to gather the little water left in the river. This helped make pools for the thirsty animals. The stones worked together, side by side, to make sure there was water for everyone. The animals were surprised and grateful for the stones' help.
Thank you, dear stones.
Chirped the birds. And as the rain finally came back to the forest, the river stones continued to
"You saved us from thirst,"
said the fish happily. Even when the river dried up completely, the animals had enough water to survive because of the helpful river stones. The stones showed that even though they were small, together they could do big things. And as the rain finally came back to the forest, the river stones continued to stand strong, reminding everyone that unity and empathy can make a big difference.
Water games are really cool. Kick your raindrops falling, tip, tip, tap. River wakes from nature's nap. Stones all sparkle.